Good morning everyone. We are going to Baguio City Hall to join one of the most well-loved councilors by the people of Baguio City Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. We're gonna join the flag raising ceremony. So we're gonna walk from Quarry to to City Hall. Let's go. Nike Fly East, you can buy this from dito sa video na to, pwede nyong mabili. Nike Fly East ulit, pwede nyong bilhin dito sa video. Good morning Baguio. So dito ka mag-jeep. Pero maglalakad tayo. Malapit na eh. Mount Crest Hotel, noon pa to. So dito na tayo. Punta tayo ng City Hall. So dito tayo. Diretso. Let's go. Okay, dito na tayo, Ligarda. So punta muna tayo ng McDonald's. Tapos flag raising ceremony ng City Hall. McDonald's. There, yan yung most well-loved public servant ng Baguio, Councilor Cayabas.
As the ultimate goal of a servant, they use it in Matthew 25:21. Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's happiness. Lord, we ask for
call Dr. Suraya of DepEd and Mr. Jackson Cayaos to please join with Mr. Ko.
Under your watch, the city's asset inventory and management program revealed what many of us had not fully appreciated, that Baguio holds a sizable portfolio of valuable assets, strengthening its financial position and making it more bankable against
fellow public servants. Of course, special mention to our retired GSO officer that legislative measures were informed by public input, local needs, and diverse perspective, reinforcing.
Okay, tapos na yung flag raising ceremony. So uwi naman tayo ng Quarry. Ihatid natin yung anak kong si Ru sa school. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us.